Hi, Martins here. In this video, I will show you how to use favorites in IDpack in the cloud. So IDpack in the cloud allows unlimited number of projects, but you're probably working on 2 or 3 at a time. So a nice way to work on them faster is to put them in favorites. Example, I go to Designer. Right now, I'm working on the 2021 Golf Championship. So I'll select this one. In here, I can click Add to Favorites. There you go. Of course, to remove it, you just click Remove Favorites and it will be removed from your list. I'll go back to my project list. I'll select a second one. This one. Again, add to favorites. So if you go back to the project list again, you see the 2 projects has a star, the 2 that I have selected. But if you go back to the dashboard, the 2 projects are also here. So it's quite nice. If you click on them, it will go directly to the producer records list. So it's a great way to work faster to produce your cards. So this is how to use favorites in IDpack in the cloud. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.